But yeah, I was testing this yesterday. I posted a clip to Reddit, and like, we only shot a mag into it each, about a mag, maybe mag and a half of the volkite, and we did almost 2 bars worth of damage to the Titan.
Damn. That's nothing to scoff at, that's for sure. I
Yeah,
think I even saw that post.
We all at Relic now?
I am one map away from being at Relic.
I am at
sadly.
Relic. I grinded super hard after that just to get it to Relic to want to test this with anyone. But it's apparently the gun's still new and people don't have it to Relic yet. You know?
I'm astonished by the amount of people that make a decision about a weapon being good or bad before it's relicked.
Yeah. I don't understand that either.
I was like, when I was first using it, I was using it on Ruthless as standard issue, and I'm like, oh, I ain't gonna make any judgment just yet.
Yeah.
See,
It's like
I essentially said the same thing, but then I went, but it's kind of holding its own.
Honestly, it was still doing alright against, like, gaunts and stuff
it
like
felt
that.
it felt better the more people in the group you had using it as well because of the stacked heat.
Yeah, we
So
noticed that against the Hive Tyrant.
So it's one of those like, yeah, it feels really good if multiple people are using it, but then they just neglected it to 3 classes, and I'm like, why?
Like, most of the pistols and melee weapons, except the Thunder Hammer, should be, like, across the classes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I agree.
That.
I am a staunch hater of the perk system. For weapons, it looks like an alpha version of weapon testing for perks for weapons. It's like, I have such an idea, but like, I know it's just like, stupid to complain about.
My biggest issue with it is like, a lot of the weapons, you can only do 1 full row, and you can't even like take any turns because they don't have enough.
Yeah, not enough points.
Sometimes I don't even take the full row.
Yep.
I find a lot of the other
heavy
perks to
bolter
be
setup.
more useful.
My heavy bolter setup doesn't even use anything in the relic tier.
Yeah. I'm the same way with so much of mine.
I would wish that they would engage me in melee and not just shoot me in the face.
That would be nice.
It seems more common when they're enraged.
Yeah.
The ranged guys, when they enrage, are absolutely brutal, because you can't even stop like the venom cannons from shooting you. Just straight down, even if you're in melee.
I feel like on lethal, that charge time on the venom cannons is a hell of a lot shorter. And a hell of a lot more random.
Yeah.
And they'll sometimes just shoot 3 times in a row, and it's like, okay, great. And then the second and third shot happens while you're still rolling back, and you're like, okay, this is great.
I guess this is how I die. Brambles everywhere. I just got stuck over here in a bunch of whip boys and have not been able to leave. I just want to go home.
I saw your health just go down a lot.
Yeah, and then go back up and yep.
Just
it's doing
yo-yos.
stuff. There's a lot of range over here. Like a bunch of guns shooting at me.
Oh good, and he got into rage.
Our way over.
Okay. I have done the dishes. Very good.
Oh, you are one of my favorite types of bulwarks.
This all night.
Yeah. We weren't even.
We've had some shitty runs.
We have.
I had one earlier on Reliquary, and dude, we had to like explain to him, like, drop it. Oh, good. Drop it when we do an execute. He didn't know that you got the health back from the execute, and I'm like, what do you mean?
Get that perk until 21, I feel like a lot of people get really comfortable with how their perks are set up and just don't want to change it.
Heck, no. Oh, I'm not coming out there when he's trying to lob barbs at me.
Yeah, he got me pretty good, I won't lie. Oh!
Oh yeah.
It's not a lictor!
Oh, damn.
It's not a
Damn.
lictor, but it came at me pretty freaking scary. Warrior fucking came out of nowhere. I didn't even hear it. Yeah, I didn't have my shield back from the charge.
This soil shall taste. I am airborne ready.
Oh, I should have saved that.
My weapon holds only vapors.
Damn.
Take
I didn't expect that.
Remember this lesson.
Oh my god.
That
Not like
charge
this.
is brutal.
Our duty
It doesn't miss either.
No, it doesn't.
steel rank.
And it seems like the timing for a perfect dodge is really weird on it.
It's real finicky. You have to do it as it's about to hit you.
Who wants it?
I'll take it. I got the big old power fist.
Until this animation's damn near finished.
Yep. You either gotta get it right before they start,
The high
or
Dude,
process is but
dude, you're like my favorite type of bulwark ever. I will write about you in my Space Marine diary.
would make a fine choice.
oh, Echo.
I can
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
sorry,
you're
I,
talking
I,
in-game.
I spoke in game. I'm so used to not speaking to people in the call. I'm sorry about that.
That's alright. Get into habits. I
How
don't
is
even
that,
have push to talk bound in game, so you're good.
Yeah, I've got
Pretty
the,
sure
I've got a G502, so I've got like 30 mouse buttons.
Yeah, I got something similar. I have like a
Gifts from the folk consider it sacred soil.
one of the Logitech MMO mouses.
Yeah,
Can I exist? Jesus.
Cannot. Is the
Apparently
simple
not.
answer to that question.
freaking lictor, man. Nope, undodgeable.
Really need to make those sound cues different.
Okay, that was close. Way closer than I wanted.
If you want it.
You can have it.
Oh god, he's enraged. Oh, there's a
Oh,
Jump pack review.
hi, Mr. Zonothrope. Didn't see you there.
It's walking in game again.
Damn it! It's such an act of like natural.
Damning
Ah.
rays.
That, my bad. I guess nobody else is near it. Never mind.
I am an instrument of the Emperor. I am trained to engage the enemy. Me too. Fortunately,
dicey. Oh,
I feel like that's the like key to know that you're in with a good lobby is everybody looking around like, who wants the execute? Do you need it? Do you need it right now?
So
yeah,
you don't have somebody that's just vacuuming up all the items.
I'm
Yeah.
also a big fan of the Canadian standoff with ammo. Oh, I tried. I don't know if I got it. Gone.
Get two executes sort of near each other. I can set both y'all up.
See what we can do.
Some rage.
Jump pack review.
Just happened.
Oh.
Stay gone.
Oh, I.
bugged. That's cool. That was real neat.
That's
What?
kind of messed up.
I
didn't
had
do the
full
heal.
success help after
And
the
it-
execute. Yep.
It does that a lot with the power fist. So like, the power fist executions actually like have really weird timings on their death. And I've noticed like there's a lot of times where I won't get it back, and I'm like, okay, that's annoying. Ah yes, crack grenades. We are a big fan of crack.
Bruvian, probably clear your.
We'll get another.
Yeah, there should be one up on top of
execute
this hill.
set up. Yeah, there usually
Or
is.
another, yeah, like 9 times out of 10.
It's just most important to have the healer not be dead.
True.
Very good point.
It doesn't matter how many times I go down, he can just get me back up.
Bunch of nothing.
Tossed him up there.
Yeah, that was. I got one.
Okay, I was about to say. I was like, damn.
Well, this is gonna be a mess. Oh my god. Fuck my entire life.
You recite the codex well, but what of the scriptures? There are many but late has been such much time in the hill.
Let's set this one up for execute lag. That way you can clear your wound.
Ranging
Oh! I went for the gun strike right at.
That motherfucker with a blick.
I was a no look too. I was just turned into a corner.
Shit! Ravener. Ravener's gonna be the reason I developed stick drift on this fucking controller.
Oh, you're not wrong.
Too early.
Nah, you're good.
Get out of my face, bud.
Oh, the poison.
Okay, I got the gaunts off at least. Banner. Should be able to stim up with that much health to clear the wound, I think.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Good call.
Yeah.
I use my brain occasionally.
I do
Try
not.
not to make a habit out of it, because
I usually will just fear press. Like, oh no, that hit hurt a lot, but it did nothing because I still have armor. Sorry, I didn't know if you. I should have let you have that one because you get the healing off that.
yeah, I can always use them if no one needs armor.
I got another banner.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We're like literally just force feeding you banners.
But hey, and there's a relic over here.
Nothing shall please me
I
more.
dropped like an idiot. I decided to turn
I'll
my
tell
brain
ya.
off though.
This will sustain me in my
I feel like I'll be putting myself in many dangerous situations throughout this mission.
Nuemz, you didn't even drop down all the way. You could have grabbed it.
No, I was on the. Oh, can I jump up? Oh, no, I need to grab.
Walk up there.
There a ramp back from the middle one?
No,
It's
it's,
right
a second
there.
area. It's yeah, it's
Yeah.
in the second drop.
Oh no, I was below that.
You
I was.
no, it's in that like middle area before the drop down for the weapon pod.
Okay.
This execution
See-
is my favorite in the game.
Xenos' hunger is
Let's see,
insatiable.
we'll set this one up for execution for you, Nuemz. Get you back to full. Buddy's just getting jumped over here.
You know, sometimes you just gotta stick them in a corner and keep them there.
It's true. It's a very effective way to stop the Tyranid horde.
Or crack.
The flesh is weak, brothers, and the Tyranids are nothing but flesh.
Medical ward.
I'll take the stim.
The machines slumber.
Canadian standoff all night with it, but
surprisingly a lot amount of them lived for me slamming a hammer into all of them. And by hammer, I mean my fist.
I have another banner.
That is
well,
so good.
we got a lot of Majoras to clear over here. And I'd rather do it when we're not pressured, so I'm just gonna throw all my grenades at them.
Like, if I just use the power stance, and I keep knocking these gaunts into like a gun strike state, I just keep getting 15%.
Oh my god.
Another alien core.
There was a time where he kept his weapon, so there's a zonothrope somewhere. I think it's a it's a twofer.
They got it bad for me. I don't know what I did.
Reloading magazine. Avenging angel at your disposal.
This could not. So fucking great.
Field your minds.
Cannon's giving me a pucker factor.
Oh,
I really
shit.
don't like it.
Dude, every time I peek out, they hit me again. Like, no, please stop.
Taking care of this venom cannon before he becomes more
Yep.
of a problem.
Trying to deal with the
You're unable
tropes.
to leave this room until all of the consoles.
I got a crack on the. Never mind. I was gonna have a crack on him.
That pitiful Xenos was but a horrible blight.
That guy.
Cross the beams!
Without awakening all the consoles.
No, you weren't supposed to cross the beams.
It was just unpredictable. The multiple jump with the fucking...
The regen on Slam.
Yeah.
Pretty solid.
Blessings extended to the slumbering unit. Awakening.
And then every time I get an execute, it comes up.
Get you some space.
Every time I get a gun strike, it goes up.
Tyranid infestation has spread even to the machines. We must remove it, guys. Jump pack review. I am the righteous storm.
There's a bunch of shooters out there.
Yeah, that was one of the ones because just didn't want to do it.
Avenging angel.
Yeah. Hell, there ain't anything I can do about that. That's just the game being wonky.
Like that. Okay.
Reloading.
That'll save me.
I'm pretty sure that slam is just cosmetic only. Like when you're just falling slam, I'm pretty sure it's cosmetic only.
I don't think you're wrong.
mean, it does some knockback, but I think that's about it.
Communion with the consoles, ministers.
From absolute bedlam to nothing.
Blessing has commenced.
Also, I have another banner, so
This regen.
force feeding y'all those motherfucking banners at this point.
Jump back.
Deactivated the consoles.
We must open the door.
Hit the ammo before. Got 8 shots, so
Inside the fortress statue.
should heed my own advice.
Head up to the cannons and remind the Xenos of whom they dare
Yeah,
to
let me
attack.
take some of this ammo.
Oh,
I thought that was a neurothrope. I was like, there's no shot. we
Okay.
we've killed one already.
I think your turn to fill in for Dirk.
He really says that with anything that ends in like ER.
Oh, 100%.
Victor, I hardly know her.
I thought one of you.
Yell's just over here. Oh damn.
I,
Here you go. Take that execute.
oh,
I gave you that and all my health went away.
Yeah, I watched you get sniped as he went into the execute animation.
Like, I had full health. I had none after that.
Yeah. Throw that grenade there. Yeah.
coming down.
Thank you. Well,
I got him. He's not calling in reinforcements. I put baby in a corner.
And guess what, guys? I have another banner. This one gonna be for me, though.
yeah, I'd advise using that one selfishly.
I still haven't learned all the locations for armory data and
In
GC
this
on
area,
this
it's in this red room behind.
yeah, I know there's one back there.
And then the gene seed spawns underneath the bridge in that first room.
Is that the only? Oh,
For this, for that little segment, yeah. The armory data can also spawn like into the room where we have to capture those flags or objectives. To the
Also,
right as
top
soon
of
as you
this
enter.
Spiral staircase.
Yeah.
I know you can.
Oh,
Find
my
the G
snipers!
speed in there. The right generator. As soon as you walk into that room,
Yeah.
you go to the bottom floor in that like broken wall. You can find a gene seed there.
But the Imperials don't.
Oh, what? Gaunts? Suddenly? Alright, we're back.
My war gear is
Does it give you all the contested health back if you execute like a Termagon as well? I
Yeah.
haven't tested it on those. I've always just waited for a Majora's enemy.
Execution will do it. I didn't know there was a raptor here. He's dead.
The parry death.
I guess my skill came off cooldown as soon as he showed up.
Alright, Don, have a good one. Happy you enjoyed. Hopefully we catch you again soon.
I was gonna let you have it and then you vanguarded away. It's like, I don't think he wants it.
Oh, I'm gonna want this one, that's for sure. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Nah, I'm stimming that shit. Fuck that. This dude's just
I
absolutely.
mean, I had
bullying
another
me.
banner. I could have given it to you. Like,
I don't know if you saw where my actual health was first
oh, it was
contested.
very low.
I was not gonna gamble on you having the banner with where that was.
Yeah, that was he shot you once. That second one came out real damn quick.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying, man. They don't,
it's not.
it's not fair. I've checked. Yeah.
Okay.
Wasn't there?
Be in the danger of death.
It's got two of them right here.
You just put them in timeout.
I guess. I don't know what's going on. I executed one of them. How they're both non-execute, I have no idea.
He's not even
No way.
enraged. How in hell was he
I
not
should've.
enraged and uninterruptible?
I have no idea. He shot me and he was aiming at you. I don't get that part.
Yeah. I mean, he got a piece of you. He fucking took my whole ass off and handed it to me.
I luckily had some armor.
I am airborne ready to move.
But he, yeah.
Here it
I don't
is,
know how
boys.
that one hit me.
I was just there in my tool belt like Vish was talking about. Fucking-
My blade will be soaked.
I think if each of us like aim for its head and just proc this over and over again, I'm pretty sure we'll get him down to like. I think we'll kill him, but it might be
I'ma
like
laugh
just
if
one
we
bar.
do.
I'm gonna laugh if we do, and then if it bugs, can't finish it.
Feel your pulse, brother.
I may
Stim
need
injectors
that
here.
a little bit.
Fresh supplies for our use.
Frags there if anybody wants them.
Don't worry, brothers. I have the access codes.
I mean, it's
Same
the
one as
same
the other
access.
Unleash.
The rights of elevation. I can't hit its head anymore.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem to proc the explosions at all, but
I'm pretty sure it does. You can hit him from up
Maybe
here
it's
as
just
well
not
if you just
visual.
turn left here,
I
right
mean,
at this.
there was no visual on the Helldrake either, though.
I don't think it does anything on the Helldrake.
I mean, the Helldrake's all wonky, because, like you were saying, cracks don't even stick to it.
Yeah. Unless I just missed it, which I mean, that's a possibility.
Be careful. He
Pretty
will
sure,
be shooting at us now.
Oh shit! I didn't even know he did that.
Yeah, if you.
Rises to strike.
Let's set up 2 of these for execute. See if we can at least. Oh!
Nope.
The Emperor
That's
still has
unfortunate.
I'm picking you up. That's an interesting pick.
the world is
So
seen
many
of
fucking
soldiers.
shooters.
Now avenging a
And they just keep shooting you.
I got a mortal wound.
Hey, I got 2 set up right here.
I gotta start.
I got most of my health back. I'm good.
I will. Oh. Let me execute this so I'm safe-ish.
I was about to say there
You
ain't
guys
no
get
such
that.
thing.
The Emperor sees impious hate.
I can't interact with you, and then it just ran over and executed. Cool. Very nice.
Jump
Neat.
pack refueled.
Gotta love that interaction.
I have no option to interact to res.
Reloading.
I indeed do not either.
Am I just like fucked on geometry?
I-
That's
yeah.
messed up. That's
You're just-
messed up.
Just stuck there making love to that concrete, man.
Although my health ain't even going down. I don't know what's happening right now.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
also true. It's not. Watch out! Incoming!
Maybe this will kill me.
Oh, I don't think he's
Brother,
aiming for you.
I am pinned here.
Maybe he'll teleport you once we drop down.
Maybe.
We'll see. If it's like Inferno, it's just gonna tell us to go fuck ourselves.
True.
How much health does it have? Because I can't see it.
It'll pop up right now. Oh my god!
How close are we to killing it?
1 bar.
1 bar.
Oh, so you're about to kill it right now.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is really weird. I've never had this happen. Oh, it says I will fall in 5 seconds.
It wasn't my best hit, I'm not gonna lie.
The abomination targets us with poison.
Am I dead yet? No, it just says waiting for squad member to revive you.
There we go.
This was cursed. I don't know what happened there at the end.
Yeah, it didn't like the volkite pistol doing that.
Not at all. It said, oh, you want to cheese the game? Bet. No revives.
Yeah.
So I put 2 mags into it.
I
I
put like
put 2
1.5,
mags
I
into
think.
it. I think if all 3 of us were
Or-
over there
We're relic.
at
I was
the
Yeah.
on
like
Relic.
cubby,
Yeah, and that second cubby would if we would have been able to follow through with it, I'm pretty sure we would have killed it right there.
Yeah.
probably.
But
That's
one
kind of disgusting.
that was so
Yeah,
6
right.
mags, 6 mags basically, essentially. Got the Biotitan down to 1 bar with the volkite pistol. That's bugged as can be. It's avoiding the armor restrictions on it or whatever. For the
he
armor
probably
values.
doesn't, like your armor values or something.
Yeah, that was still nuts. I appreciate that though. That was the final bit that I was like, yeah, I kind of need that just to confirm that it is
Yeah.
broken.
It definitely is. There's no doubt.
Which is funny because like that pistol's not, it's lackluster for literally everything else. In my opinion, like unless you're running 3 people by yourself, it just doesn't seem that good.